Vice President Sara Duterte is the petitioner in this case, but according to the Supreme Court, it was her legal counsel who formally filed the petition on her behalf yesterday, February 18. She filed a petition for certiorari and prohibition seeking to stop the impeachment process. The petition challenges the validity and constitutionality of the fourth impeachment complaint against her, which was eventually transmitted to the Senate this month. According to her legal team, the petition argues that the impeachment process violates due process and raises serious constitutional questions. Named respondents in the case are House Speaker Martin Romualdez, House Secretary General Reginald Velasco, and Senate President Cheese Escudero. The Vice President, through her lawyers, trusts that the Supreme Court will intervene to safeguard democratic principles and uphold the rule of law. But even as the legal challenges has been playing out since yesterday, pressure continues to build here at the Senate. Bayan Muna chairperson and former Congressman Nery Colmenares earlier submitted a position paper calling for the immediate convening of the impeachment court. He says the public deserves to know where senators and candidates stand on this issue, whether they support accountability or not. Bayan Muna also stressed that SP Cheese Escudero can issue preparatory orders to speed up the process, and that even President Bongbong Marcos Jr. has the power to call a special session to move the trial forward. The group is also calling on voters to closely watch how lawmakers handle the case. It was last year when Bayan Muna filed an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte, alleging misuse of more than 100 million pesos in confidential funds. They also accused her of betraying public trust and committing graft and corruption. And then a separate coalition filed a complaint expanding charges to include plunder and malversation.
Hannah, there was a petition filed yesterday before the Supreme Court also seeking to nullify the impeachment. And then her own camp has also filed a petition. Has the court discussed any of these?
That's right. Actually, yesterday, the Supreme Court held an unbanked session, but according to the court, it was not included in yesterday's agenda, and the media is still waiting for any official statement from the Supreme Court regarding VP Sara's petition. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you. Hannah T. reporting live from the Senate.